How to remove all viruses on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to remove all viruses on iPhone. To do this, first go to Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down to Find and tap on Apps. Here, select the Safari browser from the list of apps. You will then find the Clear History option, so tap on it. Next, clear the browsing history. If it contains any virus, then it will be removed. Go back to Settings, select your Apple account and tap iCloud. Here, go to the iCloud drive and manage the storage. If any file contains a virus, it will detect it and remove it from your iPhone. Once you're done, tap iCloud Backup. After that, back up your phone in case of any loss of your data due to viruses. Once backed up, go to Settings and tap General. Now scroll down to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, transfer your data to another phone or erase your data by signing out of your Apple account. Doing these methods can remove all the viruses in your phone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.